curly physicist. Vortex ring. Vortex ring is a massive fluid that spins around an imaginary axis and forms a closed loop. They can be formed in air or liquid. The smoke O's that you make with hookah are vortex rings. And vortex ring behave differently in air and liquid. But what we just saw was a multiplying vortex ring. A vortex ring that is multiplying into a number of vortex rings. Wow. Let me explain you the setup. Take a glass of water and ink. That's it. You can do it at home too. Put a drop of ink in a glass of water from 2 to 3 centimeter above and let physics do its work. Wow. The vortex rings that we see made from smoke never multiplies, neither in air nor in water. But this ink vortex ring is multiplied. How vortex rings are being formed in water? Water is a non-uniform medium, that is, it is faster at some parts and slower at some parts. So what ink does, the heavier ink collects as vortex rings in the faster section of the water, which splits into a number of vortex rings in the other faster part of the water. That's how it forms. To illustrate that ink goes to the faster section of the water, what I did was I stirred the glass of water with a spoon and then put ink inside it. See, it is just moving the faster section of the water. But here the ink does not form vortex ring, because in this case, rather than forming vortex ring, it is being diffused in the water. This phenomena does not happen with oil in water or glycerine in water. Try it yourself with ink in water. You're gonna love watching this thing. Thank you.